The only thing you have in your life is time. If you invest that time in yourself, to have great experiences that are going to enrich you, and you can't possibly lose.
Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. Remembering that you'll be dead soon is the most important tool you could have ever encountered to help you make the big choices in life. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. All of us need to be on guard against arrogance, which knocks at the door whenever you're successful. The only way to do great work is to love what you do.
Being the richest man in the cemetery should never matter to you. Going to bed at night, saying you've done something wonderful, that's what should matter to you. About half of what separates successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance.
The things you regret most in life are the things you didn't do. Details matter. It's worth waiting to get it right. Let's go invent tomorrow, rather than worrying about what happened yesterday. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
My favorite things in life don't cost any money. It's really clear that the most precious resource we all have is time.
Things don't have to change the world to be important.
Innovation is saying no to 1,000 things. You shouldn't care about being right. You should care about success in doing the right thing.
If you don't love it, you're going to fail. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. You just have to be enthusiastic about what you do. One way to remember who you are is to remember who your heroes are.
The doers are the major thinkers. Creativity is just connecting things.
We're here to put a dent in the universe, otherwise, why else even be here?